Hey guys, Greg here, Underground Graphics. I've got a quick install for you today. One of the things that was brought to my attention as my wife was driving this behind me on the way to work, she had the visors down and I saw these giant warning labels. My OCD is like, this is really annoying, and I know there's some other shops that offer these, and I thought, well, you know, this is something really small we can add to the site. So we went ahead and got these sizes, did some test fittings, and while this is a really simple install, I wanted to show you guys what I found to be the easiest way to put these on. So this kit, I think it's 10 bucks on the site. It's going to come with the 3 overlays, 2 for the driver, 1 for the passenger visor. This is going to be your 3M matte black control tack. It is going to be air release, so don't have to slide it in a position. It's really simple to put on. Basically wrinkle free, bubble free. We're going to send you one of these little tiny plastic squeegees, kind of like your one-time use. We also use these with the screen protectors, which are great if you don't have one of those. And again, so just wipe that down before we do that install. It's that 30% alcohol, 70% water mix. I just want to get any dust off of that. We're just going to wipe that. And again, it's probably not much on there. It's not like this is the exterior of the vehicle, but if you drive like me with the top down, you may have some dust and stuff on there. So anyway, the trick was, as I played with this a couple of times, go ahead and turn that down, bring that out, and get that to where you can kind of see what you're doing with that. This is cut just a little bit over, so we're just going to peel that back, get that little squeegee. Let's see here, and then really just going to go just over that. And again, just cover that white, tack, hit that top side, and make sure that's going to lay down. That's it. And then we can go back, overlapping strokes. If you do get a little wrinkle, you can pull that back up, lay it back down. But again, this stuff is pretty awesome stuff. Pretty basic, really easy to do. And now, yeah, I know it's silly, but those little things make the big difference. That's it. Guys, thank you. Be sure to like and subscribe. See you next time.